Hello guys, welcome to my video. It's been for a long time. I haven't post for like 2 years. I didn't post for like
Nakaubusan siya ng isang ano eh.
2, 0, 2, 3. Alright guys, I'm gonna post right now because you are so.
Wala na, napunod siya.
Hello guys, this is my sister and this is my brother.
Okay ka pa ba? Okay ka pa ba?
Sorry guys, he's so fat.
Okay ka na. Ganun ako
This is my mom
Nabusog
over
ako.
there.
Kung sinabi ko sana magganito.
And that guy.
Sana hindi ako kumain. Nagpakagutom na lang ako.
He's a worker.
Kasalanan mo ba na?
Tagal naman ito eh.
And here's from daddy.
Ano eh, birthday niya.
Friend!
Oh, never mind. Just kidding. Oh.
Pinto ka naman. May ayusin ko naman.
Wait a minute.
Kasi may gutom na naman si Marcos niya.
Hero Iko. Our Deadpool.
Huwag ka mag-alala
Welcome,
kami.
Sigma Boy.
Ay talaga pinagandaan niyo.
You also
Kapag yung
Sigma
hindi
Boy.
nagtinapay lang kanini, tapos naglaba ako. Hindi pa kami kumain.